Oh no, my train leaves in 5 minutes. And the platform just changed. Do you know what to say? Watch me and learn exactly what to do. I need to find the departure board. I need to check my platform right now. Right now. There it is, the departure board. I need to find my train. Estimated time of departure, platform, delayed. These are the words you need to know. Wait, the platform has changed. It says delayed. What does that mean? Delayed means the train is late. It will not arrive on time. I need to find the information desk. I need to find the information desk. The station agent will help me. Excuse me, which platform is the express train? The board just changed.
The express train is now on platform 7. Please hurry, it boards in 3 minutes.
Is this train running on time? Or is it still delayed?
It is running on time now, platform 7. Go quickly.
I still need a ticket. The plane kiosk is right there. I must be quick. I need a one-way ticket. One-way means I am only going one way, not returning. Peak hours or off-peak? Off-peak is cheaper. I will choose off-peak. E-ticket or printed ticket? An e-ticket is digital. It goes straight to my phone. I will choose the e-ticket. It is faster. No waiting for the printer. Payment error? No, not now. I do not have time for this. Try again. Sometimes you need to tap the card again. Do not give up. Payment accepted. My e-ticket is now on my phone. This is the QR code. You scan it at the gate. I need to get to the gate. The loudspeaker just said, "Now boarding." That means the train is boarding right now. Did you hear that? Final call. Final call means is the last chance to board. Now boarding at platform 7. Stand clear of the doors. These are the words you must know. Scan here. You hold your phone or your ticket to the scanner. The gate will open. The gate is open. I am through. Now I need to find carriage 7. Carriage 7. Carriage 7. A carriage is one section of the train. I need to find carriage 7 quickly. I made it! I just boarded the train. Board means to get on the train. Stand clear of the doors. This is what the announcement says. It means move away from the doors. This seat is reserved. Reserved means someone has already booked this seat. There it is, my seat. Now I can relax. Overhead bin. This is the storage space above your seat. You put your bag here. My bag is in the overhead bin. Now I can sit down and relax. Ticket, please. May I check your e-ticket? Thank you for traveling with us today. Of course, here it is. The conductor checks everyone's ticket on the train. The train is moving. I made it. I boarded the train just in time. Today you learned how to navigate a busy train station in English. Delayed, platform, board, final call, reserved seating, conductor, overhead bin. Say each word out loud right now. Your voice is the most important tool you have. Tell me in the comments, which word from today was new for you? Was it delayed, carriage, conductor? Write it below and use it in a sentence. I want to read your answer. If this video helped you, please give it a big like and subscribe to Mr. English Channel Academy. New English lessons every week. See you in the next one. Bye.